Hello everyone, welcome to our portrait photography tutorial and learn some practical and interesting portrait photography techniques. Squatting, kneeling, lying and movements are some of the special poses in portraits. With their own characteristics, in this lesson we will cover the shooting skills of these beautiful postures through the actual shooting. Squatting, kneeling, lying and movements are special postures with their own features. They can be casual, sexy, natural and comfortable. But compared to standing and sitting postures, they are used less. Squatting posture is used less in portrait photography, with limited variations. Suitable for urban and sports style modeling, squatting posture looks more energetic. Only models with greater flexibility can maintain this posture. When doing parallel squatting, your knees are at the same height, the feet and legs together support the body. Hips can lower downward, and the upper body leans forward. Such a squatting posture is more subtle, suitable for modest and ladylike styles. Unevenly squatting posture. When squatting, put one foot in front of the other. In this way, your knees are not at the same height. This posture is more lively. With many variations. When using squatting, we need to pay attention to the following aspects. First, posture needs to be natural. Squatting postures need to be natural, with hands and head movements to enrich the image. Models can also tiptoe to make the lines more smooth. Second, pay attention to the balance. Keep a firm balance to avoid tilting during shooting. Third, mind the posture. No matter which posture the model takes, you need to ensure the lines of the legs are smooth. People with obesity or short legs are not suitable for shooting squatting postures. Fourth, mind models wearing dresses and skirts. Pay extra attention to models wearing cheongsam or short skirts. Kneeling postures. Kneeling postures are not common, but their effect is very special. Kneeling posture is very suitable for a naughty and lovely feeling, but it can also be sexy. It has different effects when shooting from different angles. When kneeling, your legs are confined to a few changes, so involving arms becomes the focus of changes. When kneeling, keep the waist up or sit on your legs, which can show a lovely and playful character. The body language is relaxing and natural. Or you can keep your hands on the ground to support the body, which can show the body shape in a sexy way. The kneeling pose is very fashionable in aesthetics and is often used on casual clothing, such as shorts, skirts, stretchy fabrics, jeans and leggings, etc. Lying postures. Lying postures can be divided into lying with face down, face up, leaning and other postures with body touching the ground. Generally, lying is shot on the bed, sofa, or outdoor grass. When designing a lying posture, you should pay attention to the change of body weight first, then changes in the lines of the legs and waist, and finally the matching of head, hands, and the rest of the body. Generally, lying postures are divided into two states. One is the body lying on its side or leaning. The other is the body lying with face down or up. When shooting models lying on their side, pay attention to the waist curve. This posture needs to express a casual feeling with appropriate facial expressions. When lying flat or down, a large proportion of models' limbs will touch the ground. When models are lying with face down, their arms are important for posing. When shooting, they can use both arms to support the upper body, or use props, like pillows or other beddings. This can make their postures more natural and lifelike. When shooting a lying posture, the variation of legs can enrich the whole movement of the body. It can be shown through the combination of angles. But remember to keep the lines smooth. Movements. Movements refer to the legs lifting, walking, jumping, running, and other dynamic postures. Capturing a dynamic posture not only can make photos more natural, but also allow models to truly relaxed. Bringing the photographer and models closer. The photographer should first think of the composition of the photo. Let models jump in a way agreed by both parties. Then take snapshots and choose the good ones. We can see the effect through a short video. Note the following points when shooting. First, high-speed shooting. Use a higher speed shutter to shoot. By setting the shutter speed at a 500th second or higher, you can better capture the jumping pose. Second, set a cue. You can give the model a cue to jump when ready. You can give a cue to the model like 1, 2, 3, jump, which is better for taking snapshots. Third, continuous shooting mode. Use the camera's continuous shooting mode. Beginners can use this mode, capturing the movements of models in the air. Then select the best ones. Fourth, enrich the postures, like the way of jumping. Jump with both legs, or jump while walking, or jump with arms and legs wide open. The above introduction offers us guidance on postures when shooting.